Hello everyone, welcome to my channel where we make learning Python simple and fun. In our earlier video, we talked about data types and various types of operators we have in Python. In continuation to our series, today we will explore complex mathematical problems and learn how to solve them effectively. Let's open our command prompt and type Python to get it started. Okay. Now let's type one of the complex mathematical problem. 2 into 3, then into 4 divided by 2 plus 3 minus 1. Okay. Now let's press enter and see the output. You might be wondering how we got the output as 14. What is the logic? I know it might look a bit tricky right now, but don't worry. I will make it simple and straightforward for you guys. Now, try to understand how Python uses operator precedence to calculate complex formulas correctly. By the end of this video, you will understand exactly how Python decides which operation to perform first. This is where the important topic, BODMAS, comes into play, and Python follows the order of operations. Okay. Now, BODMAS stands for brackets, orders, divisions, multiplications, and additions and subtraction. It's a set of rules used to determine the order in which mathematical operations should be performed to accurately evaluate an expression. Python evaluates expressions by following this given priority from highest to lowest. First, it will solve brackets, then powers, then division, then multiplication from left to right, and finally addition and subtraction. This ensures even complex formulas are calculated correctly. Okay. Now, if you see this particular calculation here, what we did earlier as part of our command prompt as an example. Okay. So here we talked about 2 into 3. So as we discussed, it will first resolve the bracket. So it will go to the bracket and it will resolve 2 into 3, which is nothing but 6. And then it will go for exponentials. We don't have exponentials and powers. Then it will be going to this multiplication again here, okay, because bracket will get resolved first. So 6 into 4, 24. And then after that, we have division. Then it will be doing a divide, 24 by 2. Then it will be 12.0. Division gives float. This we have already discussed in our earlier videos, why this is giving us float. Now 12.0 plus 3, it will give us 15.0. And then at last 15.0 minus 1, it will be 14.0. So this is like how it resolved. Now let's take one more example. Let's take one more example and make this particular thing interesting. Okay. So let's say 5 plus 3 into 2 into 2, and then this time we are going to take exponentiation, and then we are also going to take the floor division here. Okay. And 3 minus 1. 5 plus 3 into 2 exponentiation 4 3 and then minus 1. If we see, we got the output as 1. Now we can see clearly here, okay, that the bracket will get resolved first. Okay. Now I will showcase you how we worked on this particular calculation. So here, what we did, first we resolved the bracket, which is nothing but 5 plus 3, 8. Then the exponentiation got resolved, which is 4. And then after that, we have this multiplication. Okay. So 8 into 4 is nothing but 32. Okay. Then after 32, we did the floor division, which gives us 8. If we would have done the divide, it will be 8.0. But floor division, ignore the decimal or it will discard the decimal. Okay. So 8 and then 8 modulus 3, which is 3 to the 6, and then the 2 left, the 2 is the remainder. We got the 2 here, and we have minus 1, which is coming from here. So 2 minus 1 is nothing but 1. So this is where and how we are easily able to resolve complex mathematical problem with the help of BODMAS rules. Okay, and that's all we have for today's video on BODMAS and how Python uses it to solve calculations. I hope this step-by-step breakdown helped you to understand how Python evaluates even complex expression correctly. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. I will be coming up with more videos on Python, AI, and programming tips. So make sure to hit the notification bell to stay updated. See you in the next video. Till then, good day. Goodbye.